Good morning, students. In the last class, we have already learned about subsets and proper subsets of a given set. Mamangi class the subset na kaino, proper subset na kaino tamgre ko. For today, let's learn about how to write all the subsets of a given set. Nangi given set amagi subsets kamaini igaduino haising asigi class tamasiko. Number 1, if A is equal to 5. 5 means empty set. Nangi set sini empty set oragadi subset of A is 5 itself. 5 katang areko. The subset of empty set 5 is 5. Ama katang laigani 5 oragani. Number 2, if A is a singleton set having element A. The subsets of A are 5 and A itself. Nangi subset set 5 ga A ga oreko. We assume that phi is a subset of every set and another subset is this set A. A is a subset of A, so there are two subsets of the set given set A. They are phi and the itself. For Roman number 3, if A is a set having two elements, A and the B, then what about in this case? Sigi case the combined subsets of A are A ki subset se. Phi sima dum lajarin ko adu mathangda write all the singleton sets formed by elements of set A and the set B. A gi element, B gi element ani sina form tauba. Nangi singleton set isiko. Ahanba the singleton set ama ire A yaure. Mathang the singleton set ama ire B yaure. Last the set A have is E biare ko. This set A is a set having two elements. They are A and the B. Sumain tawraga nangi subset se kya legane. How many subsets are there for set A? There are 4 subsets. They are this phi, singleton set A, singleton set B, and this A itself. For Roman number 4, if A is a set having 3 elements, sigi case the nangi elements se kya fange? Ahum fange ko A ne B ne C ne. And write all the subsets of set A. Subsets of set A are 5. First, write all the singleton sets. Singleton means a set having only one element. Element ama khatang leba set an ithosika. Set A, B, and the C. Mathangda, write all the subsets formed by or combining any two elements in set A. A the yariba element ahum sas. Dagi ani combine to raganang sem. Hanba the A B seme, then A C seme ko. A C C lere, B C lere. China combination ani gilore. Last one is ABC. ABC pull up yawududi kaina represent the set A dareko. For Roman number 5, if A is a set having 4 elements. For this case, nang naste lagtuise ko nangi subsets of A is kana orani 5 laani. First write all the singleton set formed by these elements A, B, C, and D. Singleton set having A, B, C, and D. Then write all the subsets formed by any two elements of the set A. Set A is the yariba element maris the ginang na ani khangatlaga mo irasiko. A B A C A D A B A C A D suma ireko. Then form B C and B D. B C ga B D ga form taro, and last one is C comma D. Ireko. Mathangda nang A singleton amamam yawba. Mathangda ani ni yawba mong seme ko. Mathangi case di ahum ahuk yawba mong tirase ahum di A B C C ahum jeme hale. Next A B D A B C A B D z kreko. B C D, and last one is A C and D. Sain taraga nangi set amada element ahum yawbase combination kya fangani? Ahum mari fangani ko. First, second, third, and fourth fange, and last one is a set having 4 elements. Set A masa se tazarani A suyawa, B suyawa, C suyawa, D suyawa ko. They count or receive. Count all the subsets of a given set A. If A is equal to 5, A sina 5 already magi subset se amma khatang laire. A is equal to singleton set A having A element. A have a element se laitaraga dimagi subset se kya lay ani lay ko. Adu A sina element ani laitar dimagi subset masing se kya lay gre mari lay gani 1, 2, 3, and 4. Lusigi subset masing se kamaina pire ino haita DC rules se follow the risiko. If A is a set with number of A is equal to M, nangi set sigi nangi number of elements M piragadi, then the total number of subsets of set A is given by the formula 2 to the power M have seen a first case it will be 2 to the power naught. Since phi is an empty set having no elements, so 2 to the power naught is equal to 1. Then in this second case, 2 to the power 1 irani element 1 lebanina ko nangi masing se kya phange 2 phange duna subset masing ani legani if A is a set with 2 elements, then 2 square will be equal to 4. 4 will be the total subsets of the set A, having 2 elements. In this case, A is equal to A is A, B, C, R. Number of elements ahum yawanina 2 to the power 3. Nangi value se kya tarani 8 tadoini ko. Segi maong that there are 8 subsets of a given set A. In last case, A is equal to set with 4 elements. 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. So there will be 16 subsets of the given set A having 4 elements A, B, C, and this might nangi number of subsets set amagi puthok payaniba. Then from the definition of proper subset ki definition ki matungina khuna sigi set A have se A masa sigi subset oibe ani aduga A have se kanagi proper subset ti oibe ade A is not a proper subset of A itself so khuna sta khaido ka duisa sigi set A se lokthokani chidanangi set A ma se ma proper subset oibe ade sta A ma se proper subset oibe ade AMR is a proper subset oibe ade du Roman number 1 ki case ta ko if A is equal to 5 then there is no proper subset of A gi proper subset se leiti na khalani du Roman number 2 dagi de nangi proper subset se ama khatang leire 5 ko Roman number 3 proper subset of A are 5 singleton set A singleton set B and A is not a proper subset of A nangi total number of subsets ta du dagi nang kai khaidokani element amamam lokthokani sigi last ki A itself se lokthokani ko and A is not a proper subset of A se A masagi proper subset oidabanina nangi total number of subsets 2 to the power m habasidagi koina kya khaidokani -1 khaidokani ko for if A is a set with number of elements of set A is equal to m then the total number of proper subset is given by the formula 2 to the power m -1 total number of subsets saragana 2 to the power m total number of proper subsets saragana 2 to the power m -1 total number of subset to the gi ama hanthagani ba masing se ko next topic intervals is subsets of R nangi R means set of real numbers ne ko set of real numbers ki intervals oina represent of intervals se kanagi subset oiba set of real numbers ki let us consider any two real numbers A and the B and A is less than B. B na A dagi chawbe hele ko. Then the set of real numbers Y. Y lies in between A and the B excluding A and the B. A ga B ga se yawbe ade ko. Y se A ga manabe ade Y se B ga manabe ade. This set is called an open interval. This set is called an open interval and is denoted by A, B enclosed within first bracket. Open interval oitardi first bracket na represent tauni first bracket ki manung da thamdoini ko first bracket ki manung da thamba means A, B is equal to set Y belongs to R and A less than Y less than B. Y se A ga gi B ga gi marak da dilaiba adugo Y se kana ga manaba diade A ga manaba su yade B ga manaba su yade ko duna this set is represented in a real number is plus infinity have an aminter is a kaina real number gi khwaidi saw laite ba duna khwaida gi saw laita ba ta kaina denote hole plus infinity and the khwaida gi apik list real number se ibangam davanina which is denoted by minus infinity representation ni ko number natte adu this the mark taro mark any two real numbers A and the B on this number array and since A is less than kanada gi hantagadaba B dagi hantagadaba ko then A B hana mark taro kan A ga B ga gi marakta infinite number of real numbers laineba aduga A B di yaroidaba ko A B yaroidaba maramna cross mark thamganeba there should be cross mark at the end points of the set A and the B A dagina B bagi marakta set of real numbers oidoine A dagina B bagi marakta lairiba real numbers mayam gi set to kai kawe open interval sarani ko next interval the set of real numbers Y lies in between A and the B. A less than or equal to Y less than or equal to the equal to yarbanine including neba. A se Y se A ga manabas Y se B ga manabas ko is called the closed interval and is denoted by A, B enclosed within third bracket. Open or first bracket, third bracket or close oidiniko. In this case, we should put this solid point thamneba at the end points of the given intervals. A, B have intervals the ahan bagi mathak thangbase sina upper limit kawe makhagi sina lower limit kawe ko. Upper limit sina lower limit. Upper limit is always greater than kanada gi chawbe hengani lower limit tagi ko. In this case, and this set of real numbers is represented as A, B. Haraga A dagina B bagi marakta lairiba real numbers mayam duneba including A and the B, A ga B ga yare ko. Then number 3 case, the set of real numbers y. A less than or equal to y and less than b. Y se A ga manaba diya. Y se kanaga di manaba yade b ga ko. Which is denoted by manaba yaba se is denoted by closed interval enclosed within third bracket and manaba yadaba sina open interval ni ko. And b should be enclosed within first bracket. Is an open interval from A to B including A. A di include tawgani but excluding B. B di yauroi. A di yaugani, B di yaugani ko. B di yauroi. And this set is represented in real line A is kamaina represent re A B re include tawbasina solid point yaudabasina cross mark thamase ko. Sigi say half close and half open kawe. Number 3 number 4 the set of real numbers y. A less than y and y less than or equal to b. Sigi say set of real numbers ni ko. Set of real numbers se maase kai ga mana hale A se y ga mana ba yadab. A ga y ga mana ba yadab means first bracket. Y se B ga mana ba ko. Kai thamani third bracket. Is an open interval from A to B including B. Including B is the part of the set but excluding A. A is not the part of the set. B di nangi set to the yaugani. A do di nangi set to the yaugadra yauraroi ko. Sigi se represent or and this set can be represented in number A is write A and the B. B is always greater than this set A. Then find the definition of the given set Y is equal to B. So there should be solid point at the ends of this B and we should write cross mark igani. Cross mark means sigi A is a part of the solution to oide heba oiragadi solid thamani oidragadi cross mark oraneba. And this set represents or this interval represents set of real numbers lying between A and the B including B but excluding A. B di yauba duga kana di yaudaba A di yaudaba ko sina kai kawe intervals as subsets of R. Stapiriba interval mayam sa kana gi subsets ngagtano. They are the subsets of real number. Real number gi subsets ngagtani ko. Roman next power set. Next topic, power set. The collection of all the subsets of a set A is called the power set of A. It is denoted by PA. The collection of all the subsets of a given set A is called the power set of A. Kaina denote with PA. In PA, every element is a set. Power set haise kaina, it is the set formed by the subsets of a given set A have. Now on the set A empirical set A sida element kya yaure ani yaure. A haiba maga B haiba maga. Then first write all the subsets of A. Subsets of A are 5 singleton set having element A, B, and the last one is set A itself. These are the subsets of the given set A from the definition of power set of A. Power set of A is the set formed by the subsets of the given set. Magi subset mayam se china form tauba habadi mai mayam se ne element oraga koina set amamuk form tauba yani adugi set to gi maming do kai kawre power set of A kawi ko. See 5 error right singleton set A having A singleton set B lereko then AB se kai haina irasui it can be written as set A as well. So irasui reko set ama form tauge hai tardi all the elements are separated by commas and enclosed within kai gi manung da thamgani second bracket amagi manung da thamneba and see set ama represent tore ko set ama represent tore mase kana gi set nen hairani power set of A nen hairani ko aduna magi power set of A haba kana the element khudimak se kai loi oini haba set loi oini phai ju set ni si ju set ni si ju set ni si ju set ni ko. Roman number 2 if A is equal to 5 A is in an empty set ama oram taragadi subset of 5 is 5 lereko. So power set of 5 is equal to 5 enclosed within third bracket. Sigi 5 siga sigi symbol siga kaida khenai hai tardi 5 is a set. Sigi sina kaino if phi enclosed within second bracket represents the power set of phi habisigi power set se sigi symbol sina represent tawraniba then adudagi nangi power set amada element kya yawi habise hangak taragadi kamai puthokani. In general, if A is a set with number of A is equal to M, nangi set A is the elements M yaureba, then the number of power set of A is equal to 2 to the power M. Kuna mamangi total number of subsets puthokpa kanda nangi total number of subsets set 2 to the power M habaduna P gidana. Nangi sigi subset mayam se power set of A gidi element loi oidoineba. Aduna the number of elements in power set of A is given by 2 to the power M. Next topic, universal set. We assume that every set is a subset of a given set. Nangi set khudingmaksa apiba subset amagi subset nena dum khalleba. Every set is a subset of a given set. This set is called the universal set and it is denoted by U. Universal set ama haradi okoina kaina hek represent away, which is represented by capital U niko. Universal set habase nangi piriba set tugi makha pole. Example A, having elements A and B, having elements C, B and E, and set C, having elements A, B, C, D, E, and F. C मैम से पीरे को since A की element मैम से C दिया हुए, B की element मैम से C दिया हुए. Among these three sets, set A, B, and C, C is the largest one. चिना ख्वाई दगियन चावे A सु B दिया हुए, B सु C दिया हुए को. अदुना C की मनुंग सिददी. A, B, C have a set sigi manung dadi C se kai kore universal set oiba. Universal set oiba gi maram di kaino A gi elements su C de yawe, B gi elements su C de yawe bako aduna ma se kai kore universal set kore. Next, in case of number system, we know that set of natural number is a subset of whole numbers. Natural number ma'am say whole numbers loi. Whole numbers is a subset of Z. Z means set of integers. Set of integers is also a subset of rational, and rational is a subset of real numbers. Sigi makha taba mayam se real numbers talon yawe and Q dash represents set of irrational. Set of irrational is also a subset of R ne. At dinangi number substance the quite agi sauriba set se karamba set oire R se tareko, and therefore R is the universal set in the number system. R is na quite agi chawba set oire. Then let's come to exercise 1.3. Exercise 1.3 yang asiko. Exercise 1.3 question number 1. Make correct statements by filling in the symbols subset or proper subset or not proper subset in the blank space. Next, the blank space be request the proper subset oiragana proper subset fill up to row oidragana oide na hairo. Question number 1, Roman number 1. Set A. Having 3 elements 2, 3, 4 given set. Second set magi elements say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check the elements of first set and second set. Ahan bagi element naam se second yaubra. Yaureko. To yaw taradi kay harane. The first set is a subset of second set. Then number 2. A, B, C, B, C, D. A yaudreko. A is not an element of the second set. So the first set is not a proper subset of second set. X is a student of class 11 of your school, and second set is X is a student of your school. Sina class 11 gi students in of your school. Dudi sinen chawbe hele ko. Class 11 gi students se kanagi students su oi of your school gin. So the first set is a subset of second set. Roman number 4 X. X is a circle in the plane. Number second set is X. X is a circle in the same plane with the radius 1. First one is X is a circle with any radius. Ahan bagis in any radius oiba circle me hangi set haiba. Number 2 gisina X is a circle in the same plane with the radius 1. Ahan baga ani subaga se particular oiba second gisina oireba. First one sina second gi hena chawgre ko. So the first one is not a subset of the second set. Number 5 X is a triangle in a plane. X is a triangle in a plane. Second set is X is a rectangle in the plane. Ahan bagis na triangle in a plane, X is a rectangle, and is a relate ko. Therefore, the first set is not a proper subset of second set. Number 6, X is an equilateral triangle in a plane. Second set is X X is a triangle in the same plane. Equilateral triangle is the type of the triangle, and the first one is a subset of second set. First one ga second ga sa kanan chawbe hele, second gi sin chawbe hele ko. Equilateral triangles are the kinds of triangles ne triangles ki makhal ngaktani ko. Is a subset oigadabu ko, not proper subset. The first set is a subset of second set. Then Roman number 7. X is an even natural number. X is an integer. X is an even natural number. Even integer natural numbers service kanada loin yaugani. Integers the loin yaugni ko. And so the first set is a subset of second set. Let's come to question number 2. Examine whether the following statements are true or false. Nangi piriba statement singse chumbra natraga lanbra check tawdoine ko. Question number 2. Set ampira element A B R ko is not a proper subset of a set having 3 elements B C A. Si subset oibra oidabra A yaure B yaure proper subset oi ko. Nangi given statement se lale maramdi kaigino it is given that the first set is not a proper subset of second set. False. Number 2. Set AE is a subset of X. X is a vowel in the English alphabet. Chumai ko. X is a vowel in the English alphabet. Kana yaugani A, E, I, O, U yaugani. And so the first set is a subset of second set. The given statement is true for Roman number 3. The set having 3 elements 1, 2, 3 is a subset of the set having 3 elements 1, 3, 5. 1, 2. 2 is not in set 2. And so the first set is not a subset of second set. The given statement is false. Manadi subset O na pireva. Duna nangi statement se lale ko. Number 3. Singleton set A is a subset of ABC. Chume ko. True. Singleton set A belongs to ABC. Belongs to means is an element of ABC. Have A से second bracket no कोई लदी set निको. Relation between set have any set से proper subset or not proper subset na denote तौगनी belongs to the element निको. आदुना सिगी statement से लाले. Roman number 6. X is an even natural less than 6. X is even natural less than 6 and mathangi nangi subset ampi reverse set se ko X is a natural number which divides 36. Ahanbagi set se X is even natural number less than 6 mangonda yaudu set 2 4 6 yauraniba. Second is in X is a natural number which divides 36 divide over ko. The divisors of 36 are 1 2 3 4 6 9 12 18 and 36 ne 2 4 6 2 4 and 6 the first set ki element name se kanada loin yaure second loin yaure ko aduna sigi statement se kaidore the given statement is true. Chume ko. Next question, question number 3. If set A having my elements in sekhar pire ko, which of the following statements are incorrect and why? Chum dabado karamba no kari marangi sumdri no hoba ko. Dudi set A am later. Set A magi elements 1 2. Si single element ko. Set A is a set with 4 elements. 1 2 si pull up sa ama khatang pagadaba 3 and 4 sigi set amo ina yawe ko set sida element kya yawba 3 ga 4 ga duna set A is a set with 4 elements. They are 1 2 and set having 3 and 4 and the last element is 5. So the previous statement say 3 4 is a subset of A. 3 4 is a subset of A. Is the statement true or false? The previous statement say zumbra lanbra hangbani ko. Incorrect oire maramdi kaigino 3 4 से second bracket की manung da hape but it is an element of set A. Set A element oi ko. It is not a subset am oi deva. Since 3 4 is an element of set A. Roman number 2. 3 4 belongs to set A. Chidi chumme ko. Si set oi jataragasu mase kanagi element oi which is an element of set A. Correct since 3 4 is an element of set A. Roman number 3. 3 4 enclosed within double second bracket. 3 4 na element oi tardi set ama form tawgi ai tardi second bracket ama ga mohakon. This double second bracket represents is a subset of A. Chumeko corrections 3, 4 enclosed within double second bracket is a subset of set A. Roman number 4, 1 belongs to set A. Check 1 is an element of A or not. 1 masase yaubra A da yaureko. 1 belongs to set A. Corrections 1 is an element of set A. Number 6. 1 is a subset of A. 1 CD smile ramagati subset of the element oiko. In corrections, 1 is an element of set A. So we have to write 1 belongs to A, not 1 is a subset of A. Roman number 6, the set having 1, 2, 5 is a subset of A. 1, 2, 5 ko. Nangasay set E is set E is the element kana yaogi. 1 yaugre, 2 yaure. 3, 4 haiba maga 5 haiba mga yaogi. Sida nga subset form to be aveng siko 1 na mayarani 2 low beare 5 low beare chomeko. The set formed by the elements 1, 2 and 5 is a subset of A. 1, 2, 5 belongs to set A. Laleko since 1, 2, 5 is a subset of A. Number 8, 1, 2, 3. 1 is an element of set A, 2 is an element of set A, but this element 3 is not an element of set A. 3 se amagi element oide 3 ga 4 ga haina punna yaumine 3 ga 4 ga yaumina banina 3 tongana ibya deko. 3 is not an element of set A, and so the set formed by 1, 2, 3 is not a subset of A. The statement is incorrect. Number 9. 5 belongs to A. Is the statement correct or incorrect? 5 belongs to A. 5 is a set. A is a set, so we have to write 5 is a subset of A. 5 say A ki subset ne ni E kadavane ko aduna nangi statement se lale. 5 belongs to a subset of A si chomme ko. 5 is a subset of A. Then 5 enclosed within second bracket is a subset of A. Is the statement true or false? Among the 5 kange ko. A. 5 is a subset of A. Then power set of 5. Power set of 5 enclosed within second bracket. And power set of A is denoted by PA. 5 is a subset of A, then power set of 5, it will be a subset of power set of A. Pi na A gi subset oiba matamda power set of 5 se power set of A gi subset oigadavane. A gi subset oiba deva ko adun sige statement se lale. Incorrect since power set of 5 is a subset of power set of A or kadab haidi A gi subset oiba de magi power set to gi oigadab. Power set haidi khangi ko, which is the set formed by the subsets of the given set. Next question. Question number 4. Write down all the subsets of the following sets. Roman number 1, 2. Sino is 0 ka. Roman number 3 ga 4 ga towers. Roman number 3. Write all the subsets of a set having 3 elements 1, 2 and 3. Element kya yawi? Ahum yawi ka. Element ahum yautardi, find the value of 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 will be equal to 8. Total number of subsets will be 8. Subsets of 1 a set having 3 elements 1, 2, 3 are 5. Singleton set 1, singleton set 2, 3. Ani ni punjil narok 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. And last one is 1, 2, 3. Then count all the total subsets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 Jomeko. There will be 8 subsets of this given set. Roman number 4. Subsets of 5. Subsets of 5 is 5. Nangi given set to na 5 oitaragadi. 5 gi subset se ama katak layani itself. 5 do katang warani ko. Next question. Question number 6. Write the following sets is interval. Nangi piramiba set singsa interval de ito o have. Interval de kamai gani. X belongs to R and minus 4 less than X less than or equal to 6. Intervals is the subset of real numbers saibam tamgi ko. Dugi condition siyengo. Si X 6 ka manabe. X se kanaga manabe ade minus 4. 6 is greater than minus 4. 6 is the upper limit and minus 4 is the lower limit. First write minus 4, then write 6 equal to higher the third bracket close the close interval. Not equal to high tardy, it should be enclosed within first bracket. First bracket represents open interval. Then Roman number 2, X. x belongs to R, x lies in between minus 12 and minus 10, excluding minus 12 and minus 10, excluding already open direct, including organa close to the minus 12 and minus 10 should be enclosed within first bracket. First bracket represents open interval. Last question, question number 7. Write the following intervals in set builder forms. The period intervals in nang kaidamo ithokani. Write the intervals in set builder form for Roman number 1 and 2. 1 ga 2 ga saying asiko. The given interval is minus 3, 0. Minus 3, 0. Minus 3 dagina 0 baugagi marakta level. Set of real numbers excluding minus 3 and 0. It can be expressed as x belongs to R and x lies in between minus 3 and 0, excluding minus 3 and 0, which is denoted by less than only. Less than katang ohanniba. Then 6, 12. The interval 6, 12 enclosed within third bracket. Third bracket represents closed interval. It represents the set of real numbers x x belongs to R. X set 6 ka 12 ka gi marakta lehelo. X set 12 ka manaba yabanina equal to x set 6 ka sumana yabanina equal to sign se hapakaniba. Sina first bracket leramagana less than, third bracket leramagana less than or equal to. First bracket represents open interval and the closed interval represents third bracket. First oragana open ka, third bracket oragana close. For today, let's end here.